Next is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, 7th chapter, text number 5, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on September 4th, 1976, in Vrindavan, India.
Jaya sanmohita jiva atmanam trigunaatmakam paropi munute anathyam tatkritam cha vipaddate. Vasudev saw three things: the Jivatma and the Supreme Personality of Godhead and Maya. Maya means what is not, Maya. So that Maya begins from what is not. I am not this body, but I am thinking I am this body. This is Maya. I am not this body, that's a fact, but I am thinking I am this body. This is Maya. This is the beginning of Maya. This is the conception of the animals, less than human beings. Nowadays, even a human being, he is also thinking like that. This is anartha. That is the beginning of Bhagavad Gita lesson, to impress Arjuna, you are not this body. Tatha dehantara prapti, so many ways. So this is anartha. To accept this body and in body relationship, everything, aham mameti, this is Maya. So this is anartha. Anartha means meaningless. No artha. Artha means meaning. So if you want to stop this anartha, misconception of life, then you have to take to Bhakti Yoga. It is explained in the next part. But for the time being, we are misled. The Maya or the material nature is misleading us. We are trying to adjust things according to the dictation of Maya, that we shall be able to stop our struggle for existence in this way and that way. That is not possible. Vaividhesha gunamayi mama maya durataya. If you make some plan, you can make plan, but that plan will never be successful. This is by false understanding, we may make hundreds and thousands of plans to be happy in this material world. That is not possible. This is therefore called sanmohita virya. Jaya sanmohita jiva atmanam trigunaatmakam. Atmanam himself, he is thinking that he is a material product. Triguna, sataraja tamagun. Somebody is thinking, I am very good man, I am very honest man, I am very qualified man. That is also false identification. And somebody is thinking that I can do this, I can do that, I am so powerful, he is equal to me, passion. That is also Maya's dictation. And somebody is lazy, sleeping, does not understand anything, tamagun. That is also Triguna, within this Triguna. So within this material world, either the good man or the passionate man or the ignorant man, there may be some differences, gunavata, but actually every one of them is entangled by Maya. So, to come to the spiritual platform, as it is said in the next part, anartha upasamam saksha bhakti yogam adukhaje. Then you have to take bhakti yoga. Bhakti yoga means directly contact the Supreme Lord, adukhaja. And that has been described in many places. The process, how to be in contact with the adukhaja, that is called dharma. In every country, in every human society, there is a conception of dharma, religion. So what is the purpose? The purpose is to contact the supreme authority, adukhaja. We cannot see adukhaja. Adukhaja means beyond our sense perception. Akhaja, akha means eyes, and akha means all to cure. So our knowledge, our experience, experimental knowledge, everything will fail to understand the Supreme Controller. Therefore his name is Adukhaja. And still you have to understand that. That is recommended here. Anartha avasamam sakshat bhakti yogam adukhaje lokasya ajanata vidyan chakre satata samhita. People do not know it. How to become transcendental to this material conception of life, and how to contact the Supreme Controller, Adukhaja. That is the only way is recommended, not recommended, it is the fact. Bhakti yogam, only by bhakti yoga. There is no other. In the Bhagavad Gita also it is stated, Bhaktya mam avijanati javan jaschami tattata. If you want to know adukhaja, that is the real purpose of religion. Religion is not a type of ritualistic ceremonies, that is external. Real fact is how to contact the adukhaja, who is beyond our material conception. But bhakti yoga, if you take to bhakti yoga, then it is possible. Anartha, then anartha will be cleansed. Things which are not wanted. Our life is meant for understanding God. This is human life. Athata Brahma Jigyasa. Human life is meant for this purpose. The animals, they are jigyasa. They are jigyasa inquiry. There are many, many inquiries and answers also. Just like we see in the newspaper. So many news, unlimited number of news. But there is no news of how to understand God. There is no news. This is anartha. So,